exploring your career options is like arriving at the crossroads. Where do you go next? What path do you take? What will you do when you get there? Your direction isn't always clear. So, first, let's get to know your future professions. In this video, we will talk about careers under the College of Engineering and Technology. Our first step is civil engineering. Did you know that the Institution of Civil Engineers started in a London coffee shop? The ICE was founded by 8 civil engineers in 1818 in a coffee shop in London. The youngest of these founders was just 19 years old. Here's the top 8 career in civil engineering. Structural engineer, geotechnical engineer, environmental engineer and land marine engineer, engineering manager, design engineers, water resource engineers, and lastly, generalist. These are the 2 civil engineers became Philippine youngest millionaires. Engineer Michael Cosiquen and Engineer Edgar Saavedra have become few of the youngest billionaires in the Philippines while managing one of the nation's leading construction firms. Second stop is computer engineering. To keep your career on the cutting edge and marketable in any business environment, you may consider the following reasons why studying computer engineering is a sound investment. 1. Excellent job satisfaction. That's right. 2. There are lots of jobs and they are high paid. And lastly, limitless future opportunities. It is true that the computer engineers will transform what the internet will be like in the next 20 years. Computer engineers have several career options. They can work in hardware development, software development, or opt to work in a blend of hardware and software development. Here's a look at some of the most common computer engineering positions. Our next up is electronics engineering. What is the role of electronics engineer? Electronics engineers create, design, and develop everyday devices such as mobile phones, portable music devices, and computers. Electronics engineering offers the chance to produce new innovations and developments in telecommunications, robotics, computing hardware, and power and electrical equipment. BSECA graduates can apply for any of the following positions like broadcast engineer, telecommunications engineer, computer systems engineer, biomedical engineer, robotics or mechatronics engineer, and lastly, optics engineer. Did you know that most billionaires are engineers? If you measure career success, it is proven beyond doubt that the richest people in the world are engineers, like Jeff Bezos of Amazon, who studied electrical engineering. The Google founder Larry Page studied computer engineering. And lastly, Carlos Slim from Mexico, who also studied engineering. Next up is computer science and information technology. What is the difference between computer science and information technology? The difference between computer science and information technology is that computer scientists design and develop the software programs that IT professionals use and maintain. IT specialists take what they have learned about computers and apply that knowledge in businesses across all industries. The IT team in any business is usually comprised of specialists in fields such as software development, desktop support, and network security. These are the careers in computer science: software engineer, information security analyst, database administrator, and computer hardware engineer. These are the careers in information technology: technical support technology, IT project manager, network engineer, and IT consultant. Did you know that Kevin Atienza is the famous programmer in the Philippines? He is considered one of the best coders in the world. Next up is library science. Is library science a good career? Yes, library science is one best career to choose where you can learn about knowledge management in the digital and manual form. You can become librarian in the different school up to the big institute of the country. Library science roles are those found in a variety of settings, including school, public, and academic libraries. individuals interested in LIS career track can pursue a variety of positions including but not limited to academic librarian, law librarian, school librarian, data curator, instruction librarian, and emerging technology librarian. But is that enough? I know it can be hard when you start planning for your future after university. But remember, you are not alone in worrying about what you want to do.